So we need to remove this whole trim, the upper, and this one called the rear lower. Okay, so they have a few screws before we can snap it out. So without taking enough screws, this one is one. We need to take this out. Now in here you have one screw here and one screw here. Alright, and they should be, and then this one right here. Now this one right here, we also need to take this out. Okay, that's easy. So one screw here, okay? Make sure we don't lose them. And then this one over here. To make it very. So we need to remove this one. All right. We need to remove this one also. All right. One. All right. So.
Screw holder.
Yep. Always put the screw in one place. This is number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Now we can plug this one back in. Okay. Wait. We need to remove this one.
Light.
So pull it out. Very easy. And then just unplug this one, or just put it inside. No, unplug it. Okay, so very easy. So what we want to do is to unplug this one. Now we unplug this. There must be a. Yep, there it is. All right, this is out. One. 2, same spot. Let's do it here. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, up here we didn't get all of it yet.
Okay.
Hey. All there. What did you do?
There are 2 screws there. We're going to remove the screws and then remove the old handle and put in the new handle with the camera.
There's the switch for. Okay, so this is the clip right here. So this is the switch. This should be number 10. Yeah. Okay, push it. It should come out on the other side. Is there a clip here? No, I don't have a clip. Okay, let's go to this side. I don't need any other. Original one, there are 2 clips. One is here and one on this side. So if you push them in, you can remove them. But we broke it, so we don't care. So there's a clips in here, so we're going to take it out and then we're going to put it back in. So that's okay. Yep. So we're gonna slide it back in here. Okay. Oh. See, this one come out. The other one didn't. I don't know if I really need to take this out. Just take this one out.
Oh, yeah.
All right. We don't need to take this one. Okay, so show it over here.